Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you change your Toyota Yaris headlight bulb. This is a straightforward DIY task that can save you a trip to the mechanic. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a new headlight bulb, which is typically a 9003 type, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Remember to wear gloves to avoid touching the bulb's glass, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Also, make sure your car's engine is off and the lights are completely switched off for safety. Now let's access the bulb. Pop open your car's bonnet and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently pull this connector straight off. Next, there's usually a rubber boot or cover protecting the bulb. Carefully peel or pull this off. It might be a bit snug, but it should come off without too much force. This exposes the bulb itself. With the cover off, you'll see a metal retaining wire or spring holding the bulb in place. Press it inwards and then unclip it, swinging it out of the way. Now, you can carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and insert it into the socket. Make sure the 3 tabs on the bulb align with the grooves in the housing. It should fit snugly and only go in one direction. Almost done. Once the new bulb is seated, swing the metal retaining clip back into place and secure it. Next, carefully put the rubber boot or cover back on, ensuring it forms a good seal to protect against moisture. Finally, reconnect the electrical plug to the bulb. Close your bonnet, then turn on your car and switch on the headlights to confirm your new bulb is working correctly. Great job, you've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.